Andrew James McGann, charged with fatally stabbing an Arkansas couple while they were hiking with their 2 young daughters, pleaded not guilty during his arraignment. Authorities said McGann, a former schoolteacher, did not know the victims, Clinton and Cristen Brink. He was ordered held without bond until his trial, scheduled for November 14. Prosecutors requested that McGann have no contact with the victims' families and indicated the state has not ruled out pursuing the death penalty. A gag order may also be issued due to the case's notoriety, restricting trial participants from publicly discussing details or those involved. The killings occurred on July 26 at Devil's Den State Park in northwest Arkansas. The couple's 7- and 9-year-old daughters witnessed the attack, which authorities described as horrific. A hiker discovered the children and removed them from the trail before finding the victims' bodies. Police reported a large amount of blood at the scene. A preliminary autopsy confirmed the couple's deaths were homicides by stabbing. Investigators interviewed multiple witnesses present at the park, including one who saw a man leaving in a dark-colored sedan with what appeared to be blood on his face. Tips from the public, including nearly 500 images and videos, along with information about the vehicle, helped police locate McGann at a barber shop in Springdale on July 30. At the time of his arrest, McGann had several cuts on his hands and allowed authorities to search his car, where blood believed to be linked to the crime was found. A subsequent search of his home and preliminary DNA evidence strengthened investigators' case, confirming a match to DNA recovered from the scene. Authorities said McGann acted alone. Colonel Mike Hagar of the Arkansas State Police noted that McGann, who had recently moved from Oklahoma, admitted to killing the couple after his arrest. Maj. Stacey Rhodes explained that Cristen Brink had initially taken the children to safety but returned to assist her husband and did not make it back to the car. Prosecutor Brandon Carter emphasized that the investigation has been fully shared and that the upcoming legal process will involve several status hearings prior to the November trial. These proceedings will allow lawyers to coordinate and prepare for the complex case. Carter described the process ahead as the hard part, marking the beginning of a long path toward justice for the victims and their family. McGann is represented by attorneys appointed by the Arkansas Public Defender's Commission. The case has drawn intense public attention due to the violent nature of the crime and the involvement of young children who witnessed the attack. Officials continue to prepare for a trial that will examine the circumstances of the killings, the investigation, and the evidence linking McGann to the murders, ensuring all legal procedures are carefully followed in pursuit of justice.